Hello everyone, this is Team Developers channel. In this video, I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 not saving settings or graphics settings could not be written on disk error. So before starting this video, if you're first time on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start the video without wasting any time. So to fix the issue, first of all, you just need to open start menu and then go to firewall and network protection settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.